Hi, how are you?
Good.
Good. Did you have a good day today?
Yes.
Yes. So, Zoe, this is book number 28. How many books do we have to read all together?
What's another way to say 100?
100.
Another way.
100. 50 times 2. 101 minus 1.
I'll just do it 100.
100. What's this book called?
My brother who taught me how to fly.
No, My Brother Who Taught Me to Fly.
My brother who taught me to fly.
All right, what's it about?
It is about this. It is about this little boy.
Speak up.
It's about a little boy, which is a baby, and a boy, which is a boy.
What about the baby?
The baby.
What did he do?
You didn't believe what he did.
What did he do, Zoe?
He jumped and he kept jumping and jumping and jumping, and he got out of his play crib.
Yep, his playpen. So he flew?
Yeah.
Oh no, a baby?
Yeah.
All right, and then what happened?
Wish my brother can do that.
You wish your brother could do that?
Yes.
All right, and then what happened?
His brother went outside and kept jumping and throwing his football.
Mm-hmm.
And
Focus. You said his brother went outside and he kept jumping and throwing his football because he tried to do what? What's that?
fly.
He tried to fly, and then what happened? He threw the football high with all the frustration he had, and then what happened?
He flew.
He flew. Yes, he did. All right. And then his brother went to bed, right? And he had a dream. And what was his dream about?
He kept throwing his football, and the fairy picked him up
Mm-hmm.
and flew him.
So the fairy, not a fairy, a what?
Angel.
An angel picked him up and he flew him. So the angel was guiding him to fly. And he learned that if he believed that he would fly, and if he tried hard, that he would what?
Fly.
And he learned that from who?
His brother.
His brother. His older brother or his baby brother?
Baby brother.
Very good job, Zoe. How would you rate this book? Thumbs? Which one?
I don't know which one to pick.
Pick. You know, you read it. Did you enjoy the story? You remembered a lot from it.
I don't know. I'm going to decide.
Oh, stop being such a tough critic and pick. So-so? All your books getting a so-so now?
Yeah.
Why does this book just get a so-so?
It was okay. The front cover.
Mm-hmm.
And the back cover.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't look like the pages inside. It just looks like a different book.
Yep, that's a good observation. The front and the back cover of the book looks nothing like the inside of what the book's about. That's a good observation. So that throws you off a little bit. That's why I got a so-so, because of the illustrations. Okay, fair enough review. All right, well, that's book number 28, Zoe. Thank you for your input.
Happy Halloween.
Girl, we do not celebrate Halloween. We went to where?
A festival.
A harvest fest. You play. Good night. Ew. Stop.